In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a coupon on Epic Games step by step so you can save money on your next purchase without missing the discount at checkout. This is a quick and easy process, but there are a few important details you'll want to know so everything applies correctly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside the launcher, look toward the top right corner of the window and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Coupons. This is where Epic Games keeps track of any available coupon offers linked to your account. Now that you know where to find your coupon, the next step is to make a purchase. Browse the store and choose an eligible game or product that you want to buy. Keep in mind that not every item may qualify, so it's a good idea to double check that the game you want is part of the coupon promotion. When you're ready, click Buy Now to move forward to the checkout screen. Once you reach checkout, Epic Games should automatically apply the coupon to your order if the purchase is eligible. In most cases, you won't need to type in a code manually. The discount is handled for you, which makes the process much simpler. That said, it's still important to pause for a second and review the final total carefully. Before confirming the purchase, check the price breakdown and make sure the coupon discount is reflected in the final amount. Look at the order summary and verify that the savings were applied correctly. This step is important because it confirms that the coupon is active and that you're actually getting the reduced price before you complete the transaction. If the discount is showing properly, go ahead and finish the purchase as usual. Once the order is confirmed, your coupon has been successfully used on Epic Games. If you didn't see the discount, go back and make sure the item is eligible and that the coupon is still available on your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to use a coupon on Epic Games, find it in the launcher, start a purchase, and confirm the discount at checkout. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.